This is the DMG Lion from Rosco.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey guys, Grant Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to Cine Gear 2023 here in Los Angeles, California. I'm joined by Nils from Rosco to talk about the DMG Lion. Quick disclosure right out of the gate, I am a Rosco ambassador, so disclosure over. Let's talk about the DMG Lion.
Sure. So thank you for being here right now and talking to us. So this is a Fresnel fixture, LED. We've been building this for a couple of years. We involved a lot of technicians from the marketplace, gaffers, cinematographers, really trying to build a spec sheet, a wish list of what would they want out of a Fresnel fixture. And some of the things we heard was large lens, so we went quite large on the lens. It's a 13-inch lens on this fixture. We also heard needs to be self-contained, no moving parts on the outside, no bellows or things like this, and no external power supply. So that explains the size of the unit is that we've built everything inside it. So the movement of the module is internal, the course is motorized, the flood to spot function is motorized. That means you can DMX it from your board or you can modify it with the Mimix app. And it's an IP rated unit, so it works under tropical rain and all types of harsh weather. Another cool feature of this product, which is right here in the back, is the swappable LED engine. So if you open the back door right here and you twist that little thing, you can remove the actual LED array from the fixture. And the benefit of this is, well, there are multiple benefits, but one of the key benefits was to say that LEDs evolve in terms of efficacy over time. 10 years ago, a white LED delivered about 50 lumens per watt, and right now these LEDs deliver 150 lumens per watt, so times 3 in 10 years. And we know that in the next 10 years it's going to evolve again in that scale. And so we thought, how do we make sure that we build lifelong lasting, robust housings and be able to upgrade the array inside it? So that was the first purpose, kind of future proofability. And the second benefit is that when you make white light with color, you have great spectral values, you have great skin tones, but you lose out in output because RGB are low efficacy LEDs. They don't produce a lot of lumens. And so the benefit of the changeable chipset is that we have a bicolor one and a full color one. This is the full color one. The full color one has the mixed technology, red, green, blue, lime, amber, and white, same as our Dash, our Mini, SL1, and Maxi. And the bicolor one is daylight to tungsten, 27 to 6500, and it's twice the output. And it's the rough equivalent of a 5K tungsten, so pretty bright.
And that's amazing just while you put that back in because, you need color sometimes, but sometimes you just need punch.
Exactly.
And having that versatility is incredibly key. So are you thinking that you'll include the multiple light engines in, say, the base package or a la carte?
Yeah, we're planning on having the customer decide what he or she wants. We're going to push for users to go with the 2 light engines because we think it makes sense. It's kind of having a 2K and a 5K in your truck, within one product. But we'll let the customer decide. It'll be able to be purchased as a single LED engine or a dual LED engine.
Now let's talk about connectivity a little bit, touching on DMX. I mean, I see external options maybe. Let's walk through connectivity. I assume it works with the Mimix app?
Yes, connectable with the Mimix app. There's Bluetooth inside it. There's also Wi-Fi if you want to plug in a luminaire directly onto the system. We also have RJ45 in and out, XLR 5-pin in and out. So we have all the protocols, ArtNet, streaming ACN. And we also have Lumen Radio TMO 2, which is a CRMX chip for wireless DMX.
Built into the system.
All built in, yeah, all included.
Incredibly cool. So, I mean, this is your first, in recent memory at least, hard light from Rosco. How does it play with some of your other softer lights, for example?
So, I mean, again, our DNA was soft lights. We've always been making panels, filling up a room, correcting shadows. And so, building a hard light is being complementary to this, creating contrast and shadows was something that users seems to want to be doing more of with LEDs these days. And so very complementary. The light engine, the mixed light engine is the exact same as the one on the Dash, the Mini, the SL1, the Maxi. So matchability is perfect. And so I'm sure they're going to live really well together.
And then in terms of just digging into the Fresnel beam angle, I don't think we covered that. So widest to, I guess, tightest.
Yeah, spot is 15 degrees and flood is 70 degrees, so there's quite a nice range.
Very cool. And the motorized aspect, is that changeable? You mentioned through different various DMX protocols you can do that, but just through the back UI here,
Yeah, there's
through the MyMix app? No.
Yeah. You can MyMix app the Fresnel, the spot to flood, and you also have a dedicated button on the product just to activate it, deactivate it.
Very cool. Now, you've mentioned this is it still in the, would you say, prototype, subject to change to some extent?
Well, we want feedback from customers, from users. That's why we're here in LA at Cine Gear, and we got a lot of, the devil's in the details, so we can still do adjustments. But our plan right now is to build demo units in the fall so that users can come and test it. We'll publish where the demos units are so that people can come and try them out. And then we'll be mass producing next year in 2024 with first deliveries in Q1 of 2024.
Very cool. I mean, what about a sort of a ecosystem of accessories? I mean, it's a Fresnel in itself, it's built into the unit, but I guess accessories like hard case, et cetera, you guys are thinking about that?
Yeah, so we have a roadie case, like a road case that's right behind you. And in terms of accessory, again, we heard a lot from rental houses that there were so many accessories available in the marketplace. So what we did is that we adapted the diameter of the front, where the accessory slots are, to the M18 accessories. So all M18 accessories are compatible with this. Barn doors, snoots, scrims, gel holders, whatever ARRI makes for M18 is usable on this fixture.
Very cool. Thank you for doing that out of the box. Yeah, because you get stuck in a whole new ecosystem of accessories that you have to sort of build towards. And I mean, it's a substantial fixture. What's the overall weight currently on the lamp head?
It's 60 pounds. We're trying to make it lose a few pounds, but it's going to be between 55 and 60 pounds.
But I mean, that's with the power, built into the lamp head itself.
Everything is built in, like I said, AC in, and your job is done. Power consumption is up to 1500 watts, so it works on a standard outlet, 15 amp outlet, it works no problem.
I hesitate to ask, pricing and then availability.
So availability, like I said, demos in the fall, units available to go in the field, to go on shoots and be tested by gaffers and DPs in the fall, October, November, and we'll be shipping first units in January 2024. And in terms of price range, this retails at $8,000. That includes the barn doors, the fixture, and one light engine.
But no case?
No case, yeah, the case will be extra.
Okay, there you have it.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys, for watching. That's it for us here at the Rosco booth at Cine Gear 2023. Stay tuned for more coverage from the show.